A simple tire pressure gauge might be able to tell you how much pressure is in your tires, but it doesn't offer any solutions if your tire pressure is less than optimal. The best tire inflators with gauges don't just display how much pressure is in your tires, but they also provide a way to inflate, or in some cases deflate, your car's tires. Driving long distances without a tire inflator with a gauge tucked away somewhere in your vehicle is simply a bad idea. In an emergency situation, they could be the difference between a minor inconvenience and a lengthy wait for a rescue vehicle. Make sure you're prepared for any roadside emergency by reviewing some of our recommendations for the best tire inflators with gauges on the market. There are numerous options for cheap tire inflator with gauge, every with specific capabilities, blessings, and charges. I conducted a ton of research, studied a ton of opinions, and positioned a list of the top low-cost tire inflator with gauge from sincere manufacturers to help you make a knowledgeable desire. Following significant research, I found that these merchandise are pretty useful for individuals like you. If you need to know about the price and different statistics, make certain to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Fanttik X8 Apex Tire Inflator. The Fanttik X8 Apex Tire Inflator has a built-in high-performance chip that allows it to quickly inflate tires up to 150.0 pound-force per square inch, SI. This cordless tire pump with a gauge comes with a rechargeable 7800.0 mAh battery, so you won't need to worry about low battery life or needing to stock up on AAA batteries. A high-quality LCD screen allows you to see pressure readings in real time on the digital display. You can rely on the automatic shut-off feature to inflate your low tire by simply presetting your desired SI, allowing you to walk away and come back to fully inflated tires. This versatile tire inflator features a 3-mode LED light to allow you to inflate your tires in the dark, as well as it has the ability to act as a power bank, with a 5V3 USB-C input port and a 5V2 USB-A port on the side of the device. Press the mode button to cycle between SI, bar, and PAR readings. Number 2. Fanttik X8 Portable Tire Inflator. Offering 5 different preset modes of inflation, the Fanttik X8 Portable Tire Inflator allows users to quickly inflate a variety of different inflation objects. A 5200.0 mAh battery powers this cordless tire inflator, meaning you won't have to worry about power cables and replacing batteries. USB-C input port allows you to charge this tire inflator at your convenience. The only difference between this tire inflator and our best overall pick is the fact that the X8 Apex has slightly more power, and it can be used as a portable charger. The Fanttik X8 Portable Tire Inflator offers rapid inflation due to its performance chip, and boasts a 150.0 SI high pressure capacity. Number 3. AstroAI A220B Professionally Calibrated. The AstroAI A220B can consistently return a reading of within 1.5% of your actual tire pressure. With 3 nozzles and an extra fuse included in the box with this 12.0-volt DC tire inflator, you can inflate tires on a variety of vehicles and a number of items, such as balls, balloons, mattresses, and pillows. However, it should be noted that the manufacturer states this product isn't suitable for inflating blow-up pools or canoes. A programmable inflation feature allows you to pre-select the SI you'd like to pump your tires up to, while an auto shut-off feature means you won't need to stress about potential overinflation. A large backlit LCD screen makes it easy to use this product in the dark. A 120.0 watt and 10.0 foot long car cigarette lighter cord makes this tire inflator with a gauge convenient to use to inflate all 4 of your vehicle's tires. Number 4. Tirewell 12V Tire Inflator. The Tirewell 12V Tire Inflator can inflate tires to a maximum pressure of 150.0 SI, with an airflow of 2.12 cubic feet per minute, CFM. Stability technology comes in the form of a fuselage with a 4-rod design, which effectively reduces vibration and noise. Rubber feet makes sure the tire inflator doesn't move around during operation, making the tire inflator more powerful. Weighing only 8.4 pounds, this tire inflator with a gauge is also very portable. A dual-cylinder direct drive motor powers this inflator, making it powerful and quick to inflate tires. Featuring a 5.0 meter extension hose and battery clamp, you won't even need to open your car doors to inflate your tires, as you can simply pop the hood, attach the battery clamp to your car battery, and be ready to use this product. Number 5. Fortem Tire Inflator. Portable and compact, the Fortem Tire Inflator weighs a mere 1.94 pounds, and is only 7.64 by 6.14 by 2.95 inches in size. This tire inflator with a gauge ships with 3 additional nozzles, so this product will not only pump up car tires, but also other inflatable items such as balls and mattresses. A 14.0-foot power cable that can be tucked into the body of the tire inflator itself means you won't have to worry about reaching all 4 tire valves, unless you drive a stretch limo, that is. This tire inflator is compatible with all vehicles that feature a 12.0-volt DC cigarette lighter outlet. Built-in safety features, such as an automatic LED flashlight that's molded into the body of the tire inflator itself, mean this product is ready to go and safe to be used roadside or at nighttime. An automatic shut-off feature ensures you won't overinflate your tires, while a 1-year manufacturer's warranty provides peace of mind for your first year of use. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.